Hey guys, what's up? Pete Solving Nerd here. Today we're going to be talking about Unity, the desktop environment, not the game engine. Wait a second, it's not called Unity anymore. Apparently, now it's called Lomiri? Lomiri? What? What?
Lomiri?
Okay, it's Lomiri. Thank you, iSpeech.org. You've been a help. UBports, the project that currently maintains Unity 8, is going to be switching the name to Lomiri. Wait, Lomiri? Lomiri? I still don't know how to pronounce. Basically, many people get Unity the game engine confused with Unity the desktop environment. Because of that, in the forums and stuff, people commonly ask questions about importing 3D models and stuff like that. Another thing is that they are trying to package Lomiri, or Unity 8, whatever, into Debian and Fedora. However, one issue with these efforts was that the name Ubuntu was in many of the dependencies, and packagers were worried that packages with the name Ubuntu in them won't be accepted into repos, which makes sense because not every distro wants to be associated with Ubuntu. Thus, Unity 8 is becoming Lomiri, Ubuntu UI Toolkit is becoming Lomiri UI Toolkit, and Ubuntu Download Manager is becoming Lomiri Download Manager. Additionally, Ubuntu Components is going to be changed to Lomiri Components. So, developers will need to update the API in their app if they would like to package their apps for other distributions. Luckily though, UBports will be providing backwards compatibility for older apps to work on newer versions of UBports. It's just they'll have to change all the Ubuntu components to Lomiri components if they want it to run on other distros using Unity 8. So what is not being renamed? Ubuntu Touch, that name is still being the same, and any component that doesn't use Unity or Ubuntu in its name, such as Qtmirror or Morph Browser, isn't being renamed. So developers will need to update the API in their app if they would like to package their apps for other distributions. Luckily though, UBports will be providing backwards compatibility for older apps to work on newer versions of UBports. It's just they'll have to change all the Ubuntu components to Lomiri components if they want it to run on other distros using Unity 8. So what is not being renamed? Ubuntu Touch, that name is still being the same, and any component that doesn't use Unity or Ubuntu in its name, such as Qtmirror or Morph Browser, isn't being renamed. And components already being used by other projects and accepted into other distributions, such as gsettings Qt, which uses the com.canonical.gsettings dbus namespace. That has already been accepted by Debian for the Deepin desktop environment and therefore won't be changed in UBports. Now, the reason they went with the name Lomiri is because they tried a bunch of other names before Lomiri and they had problems with pronunciation, availability, or other related issues. Although Lomiri is still not easy to pronounce for someone who's never pronounced it before. Also, UBports doesn't have the Unity 8 name anywhere visibly in the OS, so everything that's changed will be backend, so if you just use UBports casually, you won't notice this change. Overall, it makes sense why they changed the name, although I'm still not a fan of the new name. They should have named it like, I don't know, Crisp Mobile Desktop or something, I don't know, CMD for short, Crisp Mobile Desktop, and yeah. So, thanks for watching. Thanks to my Patreons, Sam Covet and Michelle Vantino. If you enjoyed this video, please like. If you're on LBRY, please tip. And check out the Patreon in the description below. Also, check out my Discord. Anyways, bye.